Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today, we're exploring a vehicle that takes the idea of American road trip luxury to an entirely new level. The 2027 GMC Savana Luxury Motorhome is designed to combine the rugged dependability of a commercial van platform with the comfort and elegance of a high-end luxury suite. Built on the legendary foundation of the GMC Savana and developed by GMC, this motorhome aims to deliver a premium travel experience for people who want freedom, style, and comfort all in one package. From the outside, the 2027 GMC Savana Luxury Motorhome immediately makes a strong impression. The front fascia carries GMC's bold and muscular design language, featuring a large, chrome-accented grille paired with sleek LED headlights that give the vehicle a modern and commanding appearance. The hood is sculpted with clean lines that create a sense of strength while also improving aerodynamics for long-distance travel. The side profile showcases the impressive size of the motorhome while maintaining a refined and balanced look. Large panoramic windows stretch across the living area, filling the interior with natural light and giving passengers incredible views during every journey. The body panels are smooth and carefully integrated with hidden storage compartments, ensuring that practicality never compromises the premium exterior design. One of the standout features is the power-operated side awning that transforms the vehicle into an outdoor luxury lounge within seconds. Integrated LED lighting beneath the awning creates a warm and relaxing atmosphere during evening stops. Large premium alloy wheels and chrome details further enhance the upscale appearance, giving the Savana Luxury Motorhome a true high-end American presence on the road. At the rear, the motorhome features slim LED taillights connected by a stylish light strip that adds a modern touch. A rear-view camera, parking sensors, and automated stabilization systems make maneuvering and setting up at campsites surprisingly easy for a vehicle of this size. The roof also includes integrated solar panels and ventilation systems, supporting off-grid adventures without sacrificing comfort. Stepping inside the 2027 GMC Savana Luxury Motorhome feels like entering a private luxury suite designed specifically for life on the road. The interior combines premium craftsmanship with modern practicality, creating an environment that is both elegant and welcoming. Soft leather seating, wood accents, and brushed metal trim immediately create a sense of sophistication. The main lounge area is spacious and beautifully designed for relaxation. Plush reclining seats and a large modular sofa provide exceptional comfort for passengers during long trips. A massive ultra-high-definition entertainment screen rises from the cabinetry at the push of a button, paired with a premium surround sound system that transforms the space into a private cinema on wheels. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin, allowing passengers to customize the atmosphere depending on the mood or time of day. Large windows combined with panoramic skylights make the interior feel open and airy, especially during scenic drives. The kitchen area is surprisingly advanced for a motorhome. It features an induction cooktop, microwave oven, smart refrigerator, and deep stainless steel sink. Premium countertops made from durable stone materials give the kitchen a luxurious appearance while remaining practical for everyday use. Hidden cabinets and soft-closed drawers provide generous storage for cookware, supplies, and groceries, making long-term travel much more convenient. Toward the rear of the motorhome, the bedroom area offers a peaceful retreat after a day on the road. A king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress ensures exceptional sleeping comfort, while surrounding cabinets provide ample storage space for personal belongings. Soft lighting and climate-controlled ventilation systems help create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. The bathroom area continues the luxury theme with a spacious shower, elegant sink design, and high-end fixtures. Despite the compact nature of motorhomes, the layout has been carefully designed to maximize comfort and usability. Heated flooring and advanced water management systems add an extra layer of sophistication to the experience.
When it comes to performance, the 2027 GMC Savana Luxury Motorhome delivers the kind of capability expected from a premium American touring vehicle. Under the hood, it is expected to use a powerful V8 engine combined with hybrid technology to improve efficiency and performance. This setup provides strong torque and smooth acceleration, making highway driving effortless even when the motorhome is fully loaded. The advanced suspension system has been specifically tuned for long-distance comfort. Road imperfections are absorbed smoothly, giving passengers a stable and relaxing ride even on rougher roads. The steering system feels precise and controlled, helping the driver maintain confidence despite the vehicle's large size. Technology plays a major role in enhancing the driving experience. The motorhome includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features make long journeys safer and less stressful, especially for drivers who are new to handling larger vehicles. Inside the cockpit, a fully digital dashboard displays navigation, performance information, and energy management data in a clean and intuitive layout. Wireless smartphone integration, onboard Wi-Fi, and multiple charging ports ensure passengers remain connected and entertained throughout the journey. Pricing for the 2027 GMC Savana Luxury Motorhome places it firmly in the premium motorhome category. Industry estimates suggest that the base model could start around $320,000, while fully loaded versions with custom interior packages and advanced technology upgrades could exceed $600,000. Buyers will likely have access to various personalization options, allowing them to tailor the motorhome to their specific lifestyle and travel preferences. The 2027 GMC Savana Luxury Motorhome represents the perfect combination of American strength, luxury, and freedom. It transforms the traditional idea of a motorhome into a sophisticated travel experience that feels both modern and timeless. For travelers who want to explore the open road without sacrificing comfort, style, or advanced technology, this incredible motorhome proves that luxury travel can truly feel like home wherever the journey leads. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.